Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well, and welcome to the new update on Chainlink. In my earlier videos, I was showing you that after the rejection by the resistance of a quite big up channel, the price end of Chainlink was testing a quite long-term support zone. And this was my last video, by the way, that I shared almost 1 day ago with you. Now, if you take a look at the live 7 days time frame chart, then you can see that still the price end is getting accumulated above this support zone. By the way, this support zone is a quite long term, start from 17.5 cents and goes to 20 cents. That had been previously working as a resistance zone here, resistance zone here, resistance zone here, and resistance here as well. And here for a few weeks, it had been breaking as support. Therefore, again, it can break as a strong support for the price line of Chainlink. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this previous breakout from this big and long-term down channel as well. And I would also like to share with you a quite long-term trade signal for Chainlink that I shared almost 2 years ago with my members on 1st of June 2022. And that was a very big harmonic bullish reversal guard pattern. And this move was formed on the monthly time frame chart, therefore it was a quite long term. And so far, this signal has produced almost a more than 400% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of December 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for Renzo, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can watch the complete trade setup, like the buying zone and the sell target zone here, buying on, sell targets on, and the stop loss. And here you can also watch when I shared this signal. Like this trade setup I shared almost 13 days ago on 27th of December 2024. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now, let me to take you to the long-term trade signal for Chainlink. That is quite long-term because this move was formed on the monthly time frame chart, and that was a very huge harmonic bullish reverse regardless pattern that Chainlink formed on the monthly time frame chart. And you can see when I shared this signal at that time, it was moving above the support of $5. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price and after this accumulation above the support of $5 finally geared up and read the sell targets on here. And so far, it has produced almost 400% pump. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member. Because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of Chainlink. And this is a 7 days time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several months, it is moving inside this up channel. By the way, we found this resistance here when it was just moving inside this previous channel. We got rejection by the resistance of this up channel at that time. And we found the support of the channel when it broke out the previous down channel. If I remove these trend lines, then it will be more visible. You can see that this was the previous down channel. And before the breakout, we had a rejection by the resistance of the sub channel along with the resistance of this down channel as well. And after the breakout from this previous down channel, we found the support of this next up channel here. We had a bounce here, another bounce here, rejection, rejection. Then we had so many touch points here. Then we had another bounce. And now recently the price is once again rejected by the resistance of this channel. And now we are testing this long-term support zone that starts from $20 and goes to $17.5. In case of breaking down the support zone, it can test the support of the channel somewhere here, approximately at $12.50. And now let's take a look at the targets. And the target for the breakout from this previous down channel, I have been telling you even before the breakout, that was here at the top of the channel. This was the top, approximately at $40. And in case of breaking out this up channel, for example, if the price and breaks out this up channel from here, then technical target for the breakout will be here. That will be approximately at $100. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.